In this quick guide, I will show you how to reset WhatsApp on your Android device, whether you want to fix bugs, clear storage, or start fresh. I will walk you through all the steps safely. So, launch your WhatsApp. Click on three dots given at the top. Click on the option Settings. Now navigate to the option Chats. Click on Chat Backup. Tap Backup to save your messages and media to Google Drive. Wait for the backup to finish before moving on. Now head back, navigate to the option Storage and Data. Click on the option Manage Storage. Over here you might find the option of Clear Cache. If you find that, click on that and clear it. Next up, close this and launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp. Once you find it, launch it. Now navigate to the option Storage. Click on the option Clear Cache and confirm it. And that's it, you have successfully reset WhatsApp on your Android phone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.